So this is still lesson 21 and part B. We are going to learn light harf, which is applicable for fihl. Fihl light harf. Okay, and this is applicable only for present tense. That already I explained in last session. In Arabic we call harf nasiya. For this we call harf nasiya al mulari. Mulari I already explained. That is meaning present tense. Madi is past tense, Mulari is present tense. So Harf Nafiya for Al Mulari is applicable only for present tense. Okay, what are these harf? You need to remember there are 5 harf. So the way you have to remember is you need to repeat these 5-10 times. What are those? An, learn, likay, idhan, hatta. An, learn, likay, idhan, hatta. Unlearn, unlearn, likay, idhan, hatta. Unlearn, likay, idhan, hatta. One more time. Unlearn, likay, idhan, hatta. So if you see any of these harf, and if the next word, next fihl, if you see a fihl after that, a present tense fihl, that present tense fihl will become light because of this harf. So the simple meaning is un mean to, learn mean will not, likay means so that, idhan mean in that case, hatta mean until. So these are the simple meanings. So we will discuss few examples from the Quran and how it turn fihl to normal, like normal fihl to a light fihl. Okay, first example. I will explain only uh, the harf and the fihl because that's what we are learning. Later on, when we are studying Quran, we will go into the meaning of the ayah. That is later on subject. Now we are in grammar. What you have to understand is only the how grammatically it is making the next field light. So first example, all the red color ones are the examples. First example is uh, an yalriba, an yalriba. So actually the fi'l is here yalribu, huwa yalribu, huma yalribani, hum yalribuna. Laraba mean hitting, striking. The it also give the meaning of presenting something. So here an will make yalribu is the normal feel like yansuru, it is yalribu. It should be yalribu, but because of an, it is making the yalribu light. So it will become yalriba. Like yansura, it will become yalriba. So an yalriba to present. The meaning is to present. But meaning is not important now. What is important is the an made the yalribu into yalriba, made it light. Next example, an tadbahu. Next example, an tadbahu. Actual word is tadbahuna. Tadbahuna is the full version, like tansuruna, like that. Tansuruna, it is tadbahuna. That is the full version. So how to make the light tadbahuna? How to make the light? How to make it light? You have to remove the noon. So it becomes tadbahu. Then because of an is there, it is becoming light. That is tadbahu. Instead of tasbahuna, it is becoming tasbahu. Next one is lan nushrika. Lan nushrika. So you can guess the original version. It should be yushriku, nushriku, right? Nushriku. So it is nahnu nushriku. So I'll try to tell the parent. Huwa yushriku. That means sharaka mean associating partners actually. So huwa yushriku mean he associate partners. Huwa yushriku, huma yushrikani, hum yushrikuna, hiya tushriku, huma tushrikani, hunna yushrikna, anta tushriku, antuma tushrikani, antum tushrikuna, anti tushrikina, antuma tushrikani, antunna tushrikna, ana ushriku, nahnu nushriku. See, that is we are associating partners. Nahnu nushriku. So what this lan do is lan comes and nushriku become nushrika. Lan mean not, meaning of not, future tense, will not meaning. So nushriku become nushrika. Nushrika means then we are associating partners or associating anyone. So the meaning will become we will not, because learn is will not. So we will not associate anyone with our master. So that's the idea. Ahadan. The sharaka mean associating. So this is the idea. So learn, the meaning is again not important. I'm just going towards the meaning. So meaning is not important. You need to understand the concept. That is, learn will make it yushriku or nushriku become nushrika. Next word is kai nusabbahaka. Actually, ka is attached pronoun. So original word is nusabbahu will become nusabbaha because of k. Next word is liyakuna. Liyakuna. Actually, there are two words actually. So li and yakuna. The original version is yakunu. The normal version is yakunu. Because of li, it is making yakunu light. That is yakuna. That's why liyakuna. So you might think unlearn like idan hatta. What is this li and kai is doing? See, if you go there to the notes, to see unlearn like the third one. So that meaning is so that it can have three different form. It can have like form, or it can have kai form, and it can have li form. So it can come as li, or it can come as k, only k in these two scenarios, like these two scenarios, or it can come as full form as like. So whenever you see kai, li, or like, all these three scenarios, if the next word is fihl, then it will become light. Next one is hatta yakula. So original version is yakulu. Kala yakulu. Kala mean he said. Yakulu mean he is saying. So present tense yakulu become yakula because of hatta. Because of hatta, yakulu become yakula. So hatta yakula. So here yakula ar rasulu. He says, right? So you will see outside doer. Can you remember the previous lesson? So instead of saying he said, you will see the rafa outside doer is there, is rafa. So it will become messenger says. Rasul or Rasul mean messenger. Messenger says. Hatta mean until messenger says. Meaning. Again, meaning is not important. I'm just what important is understanding the grammar and how the light harf making it next word light, next fihl light. The final one hatta yu'mina. Hatta yu'mina. So original word is yu'minu. Original word huwa yu'minu. Original word is yu'minu. Because of hatta it become yu'mina. So this is very simple concept. So what you need to understand is what is the original normal version, what is light version, and if you see any of these five harfs, that means the next fihl, the present tense fihl become light because of this harf. That's what you need to understand. So hope it is clear. Uh, Please do the assignment. Then the assignment will come after the next session, inshallah. So if you have any doubt, any question, please ask. I'll try to clarify, inshallah. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.